to talk to them again.
Anyways, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, so you're a little dark there, bud.
That's a first.
Oh, that's better. All right. Anyways, what is up, guys? So today we are going to be
Just mounting.
putting together, just mounting the hydro. I got this bracket. Got the bracket just so we can mount the hydro. We got the brake lines in here. Now I don't know if we're gonna install those just yet.
Probably not.
Probably gonna wait.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. I don't have a lift. We're gonna be, and this car is lowered, which you guys have not seen the car.
We have coilovers now.
Yeah, we're on coilovers.
Not true coilover setup, which I'll take the L for that. Fuck that one up.
So
we couldn't put all of the arms on in the rear because we need the true coilover setup for the tow arms.
yes, this is the way the car looks currently. It looks really good, man. I actually like it.
That's a good setup. The front is a little too low. Front is just a tad bit too low, so
Oh, dude, that's
we're rubbing up on this wheel well. And then the wheel, we put spacers on it. I don't think we showed you guys. We put spacers on it. What was it? The 20 millimeter, the 25?
I think it was 25.
There's a 25 to give us a little more room because we were rubbing. So you kind of see it's a little. That's an aggressive setup.
It is. We're gonna be putting this on. Just gotta rip apart the center console.
Shout out to Sikky for the sick koozie.
True, that thing is nice.
A little sticker. I mean, I don't drink anymore, but I don't drink beer anymore, but if I did.
Now, hopefully you guys like the quality on the camera now. I did get a different camera.
High quality camera.
Yeah.
And a high quality microphone.
So,
Thanks to.
see if you guys can see it in the thing. Look at that.
Canon.
Oh, nice.
It's Canon.
Nice. So,
Nice, dude.
hopefully you guys like the quality and the sound now. Should be a little better. Should be a little different. Just trying to up the quality on the videos a little bit.
For you guys.
Yeah, exactly.
For
So,
you guys.
let's get to ripping this interior apart. All right, so
The seat's gonna be in the way.
got it. Well, the seat's gonna have to move back.
It's already back, I think, all the way.
Or if you...
Do you want to cut like a little sliver right here so we can get it in, or we're just gonna yeet that and get that bitch out of here?
We're just gonna have to probably just cut it down right here. Because either way, we cut it down right here, all this is gonna come off. We're gonna have to cut that off. Yeah.
So Gabe got it all cut out. Bracket sits pretty nice.
Alrighty, so we got this, and now this isn't the most prettiest cutting.
I'm gonna file it down
Yeah, he's
tomorrow.
going to fit with the hydro that he actually has in his hand right now. It's gonna fit.
You can see we have it marked right here where the mounting points are, so that's where we're gonna line this bad boy up with. Be something like that.
Yep, and then we're gonna.
It'll probably be like about right here. This is gonna end up getting cut later on.
Yeah, all this is gonna.
Eventually, all of this is gonna be gone.
Yeah, eventually this car is going to be fully gutted and caged and everything. So
Yeah.
we're not too worried about messing things up now.
Yeah.
Just for now,
Right now, we're just kind of making like.
just trying to make it pretty.
Not even make it pretty. We're just trying to make it fit right now. And we'll get everything pretty when it's time to get pretty, you know?
So for now, we're not gonna mount the master cylinder just yet because we have like I said, we have the brake lines right here. So once that's in, we'll wait because we gotta do it on a lift to be able to get under the car.
Yeah.
So, but that's no problem. We're just gonna, for now, this is just to hold it in for now.
Just hold it in
And then once
until we do the brake line and get the master cylinder. Because I still have to order the master cylinder.
Yeah, we still have to do all that and go from there. So, alrighty, we're gonna get drilling into there, mount it, and then we should be done.
Done pretty much, yeah. Because I'm just going to clean it up tomorrow. I'll probably.
So it's mounted, kinda. We don't have it tight just yet. I don't want to tighten anything down until we put the master cylinder in with the brake lines and everything.
Yeah, the main thing we're really doing today was getting a lot of the cutting out of the way and make sure the bracket fits and make sure that we could actually place the hydro somewhere that's comfortable for me to reach over and yank on it. But yeah, it's at a really comfortable position. Like,
So that's not bad.
that
though.
bracket literally repositioned everything perfectly for us.
And that's where we were talking about the mount it last time too, huh?
Yeah, that's where, yeah.
And this bracket, if I can figure out the website, I'll put it up on the screen right now.
Yeah, I'll go through my emails and I'll send it to you. It wasn't even that expensive.
It was like what, 20 bucks?
Yeah, it was like
And they have two different. This is like their second version, just because it's over here.
When we do the master cylinder, we'll probably end up getting rid of the whole center console as a whole, huh?
Probably.
We might end up just like cutting across right here, cleaning this up, and then getting rid of everything from here back. Because I don't use this car for anything other than working on it anyways. Sometimes, occasionally taking it to the gym when I feel like driving it, but that's like really it.
But whatever. Anyways, I think that's it. You done?
I'm done. We got some more stuff coming soon. I have parts that I have one part that we're missing to do another install for you guys. It should be delivered Friday. And then we might probably do that over the week. He wants to give it a little rip right now. Oh, Gabe. No, other way, Gabe. So you don't know how to drive a low car. Gabe wants to give it a little rip, so let's see. With a slipping clutch, let's see what we can do. Piss off his neighbors. Traction control. He's got a neighbor over there pissed off already, it looks like. Now I'm gonna drive out of here and everyone's gonna think it's me.
Yeah. Hi.
Someone's already out in their front yard staring.
He don't care. I do burnouts in the center. He don't care.
I'm gonna look like the asshole leaving here.
Dude, the clutch slipped at the end. Did you see that?
Yeah. Also, guys, this exhaust is for sale if you guys want it. It's the SPEC D tuning exhaust for G35s 350Zs. So if you are interested in purchasing this off of us, DM Gabe on Instagram, Miss Third,
Or him.
or me if you guys have me. That's all smushed in.
Anyways, is it?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh damn, it is. How the fuck did that even happen, Gabe?
Just working too hard. Call
Successful
it a day.
day.
A successful day. God, I can't speak. Many stuff coming on the G. You got stuff coming for the Roush. You got stuff coming for Vic's car. Pretty soon, maybe. I don't know. He's taking his time.
Girlfriend's car.
And my girlfriend's car too. I don't know. Vic's not taking his time.
And the bike?
And the bike. Bike.
I'm coming soon.
Shut up. Nobody knows about that. Shut up. Anyways, that is it. Like, subscribe. Don't forget, guys. Don't stop and keep going. We'll see you guys later.